Welcome to Sharkroll Casino. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to make FFT token deposit to your account safely and easily. Once you're logged in at casino.sharkroll.io, click on your wallet icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the Deposit tab. Click on the deposit method and select the crypto transfer option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use in this case, FFT, and make sure you select the correct network, which is BEP20. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. If you wish to use a bonus or promo code, you can select it here. When you're ready, click Proceed to Payment. A crypto wallet address will be generated. Copy this address carefully. Now open your personal crypto wallet. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose earlier, FFT in this case, then click on Send. Paste the wallet address you copied from the casino. Enter the same amount you typed earlier, and click Confirm to start the transaction. Double-check all details and confirm the payment in your wallet. Now just wait a few moments while the transaction is processed. Once it's complete, and you go back to the Sharkroll Casino page, you'll see your deposited amount in your Sharkroll Casino wallet, ready for you to play. That's it. You're ready to start your gaming experience at Sharkroll. Play smart and good luck.